Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about skills. So let's get started. Do you think TV can provide skills? You could say, watching TV may not directly develop practical skills. Or, TV viewing might not significantly contribute to the development of valuable skills. What type of skills are important? In the past, skills were more traditional. Or you could say, today's requirements often revolve around technology-driven competencies. In question 3, you could say, formal qualifications are not necessary for skill acquisition. Or people can develop work-related skills through experience and training. So the question for this would be, how do you develop skills? Are skills important? Learning new skills throughout life is crucial for personal development. Or continuous learning of new skills is important for personal growth and adaptability. Okay, only a few questions though. Next up is our reading passage. Read along. It's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. The lifelong pursuit of skills. The changing landscape of required competencies and various avenues available for individuals to enhance their skills. There is importance to continuous skill development. Past demand for traditional crafts and manual labor, as well as the transformation of required skill set in modern times. There is a need for proficiency in digital literacy, critical thinking, adaptability, and intercultural communication. The formal education as a cornerstone, with unparalleled access to information and training through the internet, and there is a democratization of education, acquiring new skills and knowledge at one's own pace. There is an ever-changing job market, with the importance of continuous learning new skills, and excelling in dynamic environments, and having an ability to adapt to new roles and industries. Lifelong learning for personal growth is opening doors to new interests and hobbies, learning new skills for personal advancement and personal growth, as well as a sense of accomplishment and boosted self-confidence. Staying competitive and fulfilling personal aspirations in an era of learning as a one-time endeavor. You must instead have a lifelong pursuit of learning and adapting, which contributes positively to a dynamic and ever-changing. Okay, next up is our vocabulary expressions. Take a look and see if you can put any of these into your own words. Democratization of education, job market, adaptability, intercultural communication, relevant, sense of accomplishment, self-confidence, aspirations, paradigm, survival skill. Adapt to the ever-evolving job market. Embrace the lifelong journey. Stay competitive. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercise. See if you can put some of these into your own words. We have our paraphrasing questions, paraphrasing statements, and our paraphrasing description. I wish you luck, and as always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.